So guys, for the first method, you want to go to search and type in view network connections. Click on it. Now once you're on this, make sure that your network adapter has been enabled. Mine is currently disabled, so I'm going to right click on it and then I'm going to enable it. Once it's been enabled, see if that works. For the second method, in the bottom right of your taskbar, click on the speaker icon. If you see airplane mode right here, make sure that you have it turned off. Turn off airplane mode if you have it on. For the next method, go to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to click on other troubleshooters. You want to find network and internet and then click on run. And now this will come up, the network and internet troubleshooter. If it detects any problems, it will try to fix it for you. See if that works. For the next method, if you're using an Ethernet cable, make sure that it's properly plugged into your computer. For the next method, go to search and type in network reset. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to click on reset now and then click on yes. It's going to restart your computer in 5 minutes, or you can just do it yourself right now. Come back into Windows and then hopefully this will fix your problem.